Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for coming back for another one of my videos. As always, I do appreciate all the love and support. Continue to like, comment, and share these videos where you share videos. And as you can see, your girl is back with another Dollar Tree haul. You know, I had to take a little bit of a break, give my pockets a rest because I was running it up. I will also leave all my previous Dollar Tree hauls down below if you guys are interested in watching those. But I am back and I got some goodies to share with you. So if you want to see what I got, definitely continue to watch. And in this haul is mostly beauty products, but I do have like two stationery items that I am super excited to mention, as well as some sunnies that I'll also be sharing in today's haul. But I'm gonna jump into the beauty products first, and you know it could not be a haul without the Ioni lashes. I am super addicted to their lashes and the packaging. There's always a cute packaging that they come out with, and the first one is these marble stone packaging, and it's pretty much the same style of lashes in every different packaging that they release. So I definitely have to re-up on favorites, but the packaging always gets me. I'm a sucker for how cute they are, and I got that. And then there was another collection, well, another set of new packaging that they came out with, and it is absolutely perfect for the spring and summertime. And it's just these adorable packaging right here, and they have always some cute name, like this one is bubblegum. But again, these are absolutely awesome lashes for $1. Always have to re-up. And the last set is actually some new release, and it's their 3D Curls Faux Mink Individual Lash Extensions, and they look like this. I got all four that the Dollar Tree had. This one is a 3-strand wispy medium full, and it's 16 pieces. This one is a wispy volume long. All of them come with 16 pieces. The next one is a wispy natural short, more like a everyday kind of vibe. And then the last one is this wispy medium length. So if you want to take it up a notch, I feel like these two will work really good at layering. But I ended up picking all four that Dollar Tree had in these. Super excited. I never tried any individual lash extensions, so this should be quite interesting. I may do a video on how I decide to go about installing these, but super excited. The next item is much needed, and this is a makeup brush cleaner, rinse free formula, quick drying by Bath and Beauty, and it looks just like this, because sometimes you don't have time to wash the brushes and wait for them to dry. So this should be very good for transitioning between like products. So I picked it up, and it's quite a large container, 5 fluid ounces for $1. Next, I haven't found any like of the hard candy items at Dollar Tree, but I am ending up finding these Wet n Wild products, which I like Wet n Wild. And this one is their Mega Glow Face Mist, and it's said to be a limited edition, and it looks like this. And I guess I'm assuming this is like a finishing dewy mist. It's 1 fluid ounce container, so if you see it, pick it up. I definitely can't wait to try this. Another Wet n Wild product from the Mega Glow line. These are also considered limited edition. I have two eyeshadow palettes here, and I got the Jade and Amethyst. Really pretty. Nothing like this that I own. Again, I'm not the biggest eyeshadow person, but I would love to try to create a look with these. So if you want to see that, definitely thumbs up this video. And the next beauty item is a travel kit, and it's these nail clipper and tweezers. I was really interested in the nail clipper. I have a ton of tweezers, but it's a plus. I wanted a nail clipper that was like a straight edge, and this one is absolutely what I was looking for. This seems like to be an expensive brand, House of Steel. I think I saw this at Walmart, or this brand at Walmart, for like $6-7. So to get a travel kit with 2 items and a storage case for $1, absolutely cannot beat that. Now that is all the beauty items, which I am super excited to use all of them. Now moving on to stationery world, you know it cannot be a haul as well without some stationery. I'm getting into like planning and decorative planning, so I like to pick up things for that. And to my surprise, I'm strolling down the aisle and I'm like, I'm not gonna pick up anything, I don't need anything, and bam, I saw these and I was immediately throwing them in the cart. And the item that I'm referring to are sticker books, and these sticker books run $20 at like Michael's, Joann's, and I got them for $1, which is insane crazy. And the sticker book that I'm referring to are the Happy Planner sticker books. My store had quite a few of each of this sticker books. They had like 3 boxes of each style of sticker book. And the first one is this seasonal sticker book with 1,557 pieces. I don't own this one. I think it's perfect for beginners getting into decorative planning and you want to match stickers for the season. I think this would be awesome, and if you find it, definitely purchase them, because where are you going to find Happy Planner sticker books for $1? I know when they clearance out at Michael's or Joann's, they're like $9.97, or the lowest that I have ever purchased a sticker book was probably $5, and cannot beat a full sticker book for $1. So I was just like, let me get this before I talk about I'm coming back and they're all gone. So the other one that I picked up was this watercolor sticker book, which has 1,078 pieces. I believe I already own this, but for $1 I didn't leave it. Maybe like giving it away to someone, but Happy Planner products for $1. I just cannot wait to see what else they bring from Happy Planner over. Like, honey, like that one just made my day. Besides the lashes, which is a little bit crazy to think you could find Happy Planner sticker books for $1. So definitely check out your Dollar Tree. Now moving on to the sunnies. Like, I went a little ham once I seen these sunnies, and I pretty much got one of each sunnies in both black and the brown of the same style. And the first one is this tortoise shell brown square sunny, and it looks like this on. Really cute. Like if you're having a bad eyebrow day, this just covers them all up, like don't talk to me please kind of vibe. Really love the look of these. I also got it in black. My black ones are in the car, but I'm gonna switch them out come summertime to this brown tortoiseshell one. And for $1, like they really are darkly tinted, which I love. I never like buying cheap sunglasses because the lens are always this weird bluish tint or super see-through, which defeats the point of having sunnies in my opinion. But I digress. Moving on, the next one is another tortoiseshell, and it's in the shape of this oval kind of shape. I wasn't able to find a black one in this style, which is such a bummer, but I went ahead and picked these up, and again, just really kind of my jam. Get a little bit of the eyebrow action going, and again, these are cute and very sturdy, if I don't say so myself. The next one is a bit of a wild card, something I never would have thought of picking up, but for $1 it's good to give it a try. And it's these cat eye black sunnies here. Quite different look, but super fun and playful. Definitely must have those eyebrows done, but it is super cute. The lens on this is super dark, so you'll be able to people watch a little bit, but I really like it. Tell me what you think down below of how it looks on me. But you know, for $1, you know, something to switch up my look, and I really like it. The last one I have is similar to the cat eye but less dramatic in the tortoiseshell version, and this one looks like this. I prefer this one over the black ones just because it's less pronounced and it's more like straight, where this black one is really cat eye, and this one kind of has like a straight off cut. But both of them are cute. Let me know what you think. Like, I am really ready for a beach day. Throw on one of these, and I'm good to go. Honestly, I'm super impressed with like the quality. Like I mentioned, these things are sturdy, they're not flimsy, and the lens is tinted where you're not getting that bluish weird color tint. So I really like these. And that is all for the haul, guys. Definitely let me know what was your favorite from the haul down below, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.